Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings on the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor I Selassie the First and all things that's good, seeing, and wonderful. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, the one here is might not be a very long one still, but I'm gonna make mention to it still, because I don't know any the interest at mental development, black self-esteem, black self-confidence, and everything of the likes. We give thanks. You see, remember my glasses broke, you know. So me have the angle, I had one and forget it. I don't love chat now. Certain things in the comments, so I make you feel the gap before. Yeah, you don't know, we have a laugh a second. I have to wear my glasses still, I don't know. See, more time I have to read certain things. But yes, VYBES KARTEL bust a new tune the other day. VYBES KARTEL and Buju Banton, them I say Buju Banton I throw word from VYBES KARTEL, so VYBES KARTEL I make Devil Sign, and I used as you know the hip thing influence you with them in the wrong way. It's alleged that that's what Buju Banton meant. You know, see, Buju Banton was calling out entertainers and everybody who sell out and things like that, who take secret Vaseline, who take them secret rub up to go abroad and things like that. See? And them sort of argument. The first thing I want to say, poor people, you know, be careful of them artists they know we attack, you know, because again, you have to be careful of people who have an ulterior motive, and you know, all of this will go on for them ulterior goals and motive is to start tour again and having concerts, start earning. See, and we did already say that earning potential did cloud them judgment in a many representation, because a lot of cases them fail and turn a blind eye towards ghetto people. Seeing a lot of them know what's coming, a lot of them know what's about to come, and still attacking a code and parable and thing like that. Seeing, and I claim say them did give information and hint and inkling. Right, you know, a lot of people can discern a whole heap of things, so a whole heap of man a drop clues like a dolly house. You still a protect and enable the perpetrators them of whatever evil you have claims impending. Just Mr. The man them for just be blunt and explain what them know and feel, because man in a high places and properly connected even more than I. You know, see it and can say what them know, but them just feel like say them for play, you know, like bluff game with the people them are with and with the perpetrator them. I don't know if I show them a try, show so well then a blackmail thing, and if we don't get what we want, we are gonna say what need to be said. You know, sometimes that's how it feel, because even I can't discern what some man want to say more time. If a gun them a talk about crime or the germs. You know, see, some more time I confuse. Seeing so, me I say, be careful of some people and them only part. So, because at the end of the day, them are wait for the hotter claps before them come clean and say them did know say that did not happen. You know, see, while it come like a that. You know, see, which is very, you know, threatening, because at the end of the day, where you think you can look on poor people and say, me did know say that did not happen. I mean, I try tell you, no. Don't try tell me where I tell me Rasta. You know, see, anyway, the vibes are going, the war hot. You know, see, because VYBES KARTEL come out and make a comment where I man did I look on the comment there. Deep the VYBES KARTEL says like him is not a medical expert. You know, see, and it's not fame job to give any advice to anybody upon that, that science. See, me's a dancer, entertainer. If the girl them want to wind up themselves, come check him for that. See, you must say, unfortunately, again, Jamaica is one of the most uneducated place. Well, which is true, because from our vantage point of our experience, see, a matter of fact, education where we have about ourselves around education, the education where the social norm is near unattainable, see, so in the wrong, and I can't see it wrong. We are one of the most uneducated people on the planet. A common sense we have basically, and just tenacity, see. So we, because of this impairment, we able to research and discern certain things so self. So what happens is that we follow behind the naysayers and everybody we have all sort of things to say. See, there's no, you see, you have to dig for read between the statement there, because again, see it. No guy can blame him saying I bash them and them Vaseline. See it. Still, the people them can't say I advise them for say. I explain to them openly say we are one of the most uneducated people on the planet, so watch ya. You can't just take with anybody I say and I run to it. See it. If him do it, he must know say him have film resource and research them, and him have film reasons why. And if him do it, see, but I observe something else while I contemplate that text message there. A virgin send a tune come here where it look like a couple hours ago it released, it named Temptation. That's why I named the thumbnail Temptation, because that song they need some attention, Rasta. No disrespect, you have to call a spade a spade. Because me's a man who tell my enemy, say, yeah, when I make me run last night, not tell a lie. I respect how I do that. No business, I get out of my life. When I go like me an idiot fan, I go like, me never run. Me did that. No, me did that for run last night, but remember me I come back, With all due respect. See, me no business. So this is not to declare so me and Vybes Cartel enemy, too far from that, anything possible. See, just go with try to show you say when we see something will benefit us, benefit the youth, then benefit the attempt, see it, benefit the effort. We have to give thanks, see it, and we have to take it and use it and try, see it, emulate a certain level. So the song that we name Temptation by Vybes Cartel, more on the item, take it in, pay attention to it, and hear what it say deeply. It recently released, go up on him Vivo and take it in. See, it's something where me hear it 3 times, I listen it straight before me come do that video, see it. So me did have to come do it, and just a pity more time. Me don't know how fair play it or what sort of, what. Me don't want to play it neither. Me go look on go watch it on him, go watch it on him YouTube. Vybes Cartel Vivo. That relevant to everybody who watch this type of content. I mean, this is not a promotion thing for Vybes Cartel. This is a promotion for direction, for open-mindedness, for eyes open, seeing for the youth them. See it, and hopefully we have some discussion in the comment section, and see it, we burn out for burn and burn out for burn and style out for style and then with it, but make we not style one another still, because like I say again, the interest of growth and development, Rasta, black growth and development, we have to use the material that we have, see, because at desperate time, all hands on deck, see it, and when are dead, we can't call it dopey, particularly the people them among us with certain level of potential. We have to recruit and reap them. Remember, Christian them, Rasta man, Jah never come for call the righteous. See, and come for call them that were broken in a spirit and loss of direction because him still love them. You see, reason why I come for call the righteous is because him don't have them already still. See, so essentially the message is righteous for try attain the principles of the Most High. You see, and by doing so, the least you can do is a fellow man aside of you, you still go by the way. You try pull him back, try encourage him and give him some hope, show him some hope. Because the hopes of Rastafari have is limitless. You see, so more of the item look into that tune there. It's a pullback from the breath of the abyss, and see, there's no debate in that. Seeing, although we have people who are justify all sort of things in our society these days, including predatorial advances on the female, them and them sort of thing there, see, sort of sexual preferences and sexual persuasions and things like that, see. So we need a balance, see, and I think this is a very nice advancement towards a balance in the youth. The mind come from a very influential part of the thing. See, so I'm going to go check out that tune. Like, I know enough people hear it already, enough people are pushing it, but I just want to say, once again, I think it's a ballpark in the interest of self-confidence, self-relevance, and things like that amongst the youth then. Seeing? Yes, I listen to that tune there, because you don't know. And I give thanks. Rastafari.